So in this video for Blender, we're also focusing again on the 3D viewport, but unlike before, we're not really concerned with how to manipulate the object. We're concerned with the view of the 3D viewport. So let's say we want to scroll in closer. We can use the middle button to scroll in closer. So I'll just scroll with the mouse. Yeah. All right, let's say you want to view, like rotate the viewport. You hold the middle mouse button like this. Let's say you want to zoom in and out. You can put Control, and then you can zoom in and out, and you have to hold Control and hold the middle mouse button, and then go slide in and slide out. You're good. Let's see, if you want to pan around, put Shift and the middle button, and you can panel around it like this. Let's see, again, Control mouse, process. Yeah, those are pretty much it. Rotate like that with the middle button held, and then just moving the mouse around side to side. Scroll without pressing anything, just scrolling the middle mouse button, Control, and then holding the middle mouse button, and then just going in and out, and then panning, Shift and then middle mouse button. So yeah, you have some options right here. Another thing is, like, let's say you have 10 different objects and you just want to focus on. So select the one you want to focus on, and I think it's then press the delete button on your number pad or the period, see, and that'll focus on that one. So let's say you're really far away and you want to focus on cube 3. So then just press it again, the dot button, the period on your number pad, and it'll focus your screen, your view on that object, and hopefully that helps. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. Some neat ways to change your view on the 3D viewport, panning, zooming, scrolling, and then focusing on certain objects. I hope that helps. Until the next video.